Right, so to remove the panel, you need to remove the brackets for the finisher. So one screw there. And one screw there. Just remember which hole they go into, so when you're putting it back on, you know, maybe mark it or something. Alright, that's the top one. Need to remove it off the bottom as well.
It's just down here.
That one's easy to get back on, it only goes in those two holes. Then just remove the cover, which is normally here, screw here, 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 and then maybe loosen these screws down the bottom.
Yeah.
Don't need to take these ones out all the way, just loosen them off.
That
Just loosen those off, and then the cover just falls back and lifts off. Okay, so once you have that done, this is the exit assembly here. So we're just going to unplug these two plugs here, just pull them out, and then it's 4 screws. One, two, three, and 4. And to take the exit assembly out, you need to open the front door and pull out the bed. So once the bed is out like that, the exit assembly will just lift out. So you just hold that there, Karen. That's it, job done. So back in, put the exit assembly back in, and just follow the video backwards, and that's it then. Any problems, give me a shout.